Once you've created your LETmarketplace author account, creating training is very simple. Clicking on Create More Content, choose Course. Blank course is what you're most likely going to use. Give it a course name, a description of what the course will be. It can be pretty much any length that you desire, but it should be simple for people to recognize. And then if you have an image included with your course, you drag and drop it into that box. You click Create Course. What it brings up is the authoring tool. All of your courses will be comprised of levels and missions. This is the easiest way to create a course. You can have up to 64 levels and up to 10 missions per level. The missions, we call modules in LETmarketplace when the user gets to see it, and the levels we call lessons in the marketplace. Pretty much all you do is edit the mission, and you can have a video at the top or at the bottom in the content, or you can have a header image. We're going to select a video for this case. We're just going to have a random video as an intro. Once we add that video from YouTube or Vimeo, we provide the link for it. You can give it a title. And then in the area where it says, "What's my mission?" we're going to add some information, and we can add additional content. That additional content could be anything from another video, or if you choose to have an image at the top and a video after your text, you place it here. But you have a wide selection of different types of objects that you can embed into this mission area. We're going to use Google Slides. PowerPoint slides don't necessarily work very well because Microsoft Office has changed their online systems, but we just paste the Google slide deck URL into this after we've shared it with anyone with a link, change the word from edit to preview, and now you have a fully functional slide deck operating in this document. After that, you can add quick tips if you have tips that you want to add. These can be any kind of information or suggestions on how to continue to develop performance or remember things. But in addition, you can, at the bottom, you can add attachments. Those could be any kind of documents. Typically, they're PDFs or Word docs. In this case, we're just going to add a PDF, but they need to be stored on an external server. You're essentially using URLs to embed these documents, and so you need to select those images, those documents, give it a title, and that's it. That's all it takes to create a mission or a module. You can add more of these. You can publish the panel, and once you're done, you go to your My Content, and you can see your new course. All of your courses will be listed here. If you need to get back into it, you click Create, Edit Course, and you can add missions, you can change terminology, you can change whatever objects you add to it. Once you're finished, going back to My Content, you'll see at the very beginning of it, there is a Update Settings. This is where you're going to publish it. This is where you're going to establish how you want people to pay you, the type of access you want to have to it, what users you want to have, so you can invite users to it or you can make it open access. And then publishing it is just flipping that little bar right there. And that's it.